couldn't even think of my name.
What did you do, dude?
Where'd you put it, Dad? Yo, watch out, dude.
Oh my god.
The water is literally 30 degrees. Just come on, dude. You're military. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is the last trip of the century, man.
No, fuck that. This is gonna fucking work down this fucking
Dude, it's not that bad.
Oh my god.
Dobby drop on the tube and it would have got caught in all the rocks and it would have like split it every time and you would have went flying.
Yeah, it put some really weird stuff in these
I want to let you
videos.
know that we live in Pennsylvania. So right now it's probably about 50 degrees. The water is probably like 30 degrees. You obviously have headphones in, but you still have to turn the radio on.
He asked the people to turn the radio on when he had headphones
Is he
on.
meeting us again? Freaking out.
That was actually a hunter or something.
Yep, it's a big rock.
I actually did get stuck at this point. It was pretty scary because I'm holding my camera. And
Temperature is dropping. I don't know if we're gonna make it or not.
Oh no, get out of here.
What's up, guys? So what's going on? I don't think he made it. Is that him over there? Is that him over there? Will!
Oh my God, Jordan!
Jordan! We're about to hike down this mountain to the Ford dealer. My friend, he bought this 2007.
Yeah, I went hiking up to a view that you could actually look at the
It's
dealer.
got the
there.
6-speed auto trans. Not really a fan of chrome wheels, but those actually look pretty cool. It's got a full-size spare
This is
tire.
one of my most hated videos.
More of an
right
aggressive
here.
tread than the regular
especially
tire.
when I
All
mentioned
other
the old
interior
man
very
boat.
welcoming. Got the solid axle in the front, which is a lot better. It's got the sticker price of $68,595. Alrighty, guys. Figured I'd give you this new video and this new method.
Used to make phone tutorials. Figured I'd put a little clip in there for you. Picture quality of this is really good. It's when I had the 4-master exhaust tip on the truck. Lost it on the side of the road and never.
So here we go, guys. I am just speechless on the outcome of this vehicle. It just looks so much better than it did before. If you look at my older videos, you'll see that I used to have chrome wheels and all-terrain tires, and the tread is so aggressive. It honestly looks like mud grappler tires. But anyways, the setup looks amazing. I couldn't be happier. I have a rough country 3.5-inch lift kit. I added a 1.5-inch zone body lift, Flowmaster exhaust kit. It just sounds so good. I also painted the whole underneath of the vehicle, the frame and everything. But we'll see. You never know what's gonna happen. It looks great. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If this is your first time watching my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And yeah, take care.
I'm sorry for anybody who watched this. Kinda cringy, man. Very cringy. Notice how the music just cuts. Because I was just taking way too long with that. Oh yeah,
This
those
truck
were my
also is a
shots.
four-wheel
Shots
drive
were
with the
not too long.
Z71 off-road package. I accidentally ran into it. I just tapped it and put a big dent into it.
Yeah, everything I hated
To note,
about
when I
the
first
truck
bought
was
this
something
truck,
I
this
did,
truck
and
had
people
zero
did not
scratches,
like that.
zero
I
dents,
not
nothing. There was
appreciate that
no
one bit.
imperfections to this truck. Torn on my seat cover, there is a little dent. For the fifth thing that I hate about my 2013 lifted Silverado is the gear ratio. Good afternoon, everybody. I am here on a very nice day today once again. Specifically, I'm going to be going over my 3.5-inch rough country suspension lift kit. 3.5-inch spacer on the front, nothing fancy. The diff was dropped an inch. They put a 3-inch block with the removal of the factory 1-inch
truck
block.
looks horrible. Did you see that, guys? Without the
Under there.
rear
So I think I've had this lift kit for about 15,000 miles now, and the real reason of why people say do not buy this lift kit, it's not just because it's a small kit. It's not just because it's just a simple kit that you can buy and it's cheap and the parts aren't made that great because Rough Country doesn't really care. It's because it is basically a 3.5-inch leveling kit. Good afternoon, everybody. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this review on this 2017 Nissan Cummins. I didn't expect to see one today, but it's actually a great day that I was actually able to find one. It is a 2017 Nissan XD Pro X Crew Cab. It has 310 horsepower, 5 seats, and 4 doors. Yes, I would drive one because it has the Cummins in it, but I would still buy a Dodge because that is American made. But this is a V8 with a 32 valve. It's really great. I actually do like the look a lot, and it's a pretty long truck. This has 310 horsepower, which is actually comparable with the horsepower of my 2013 Chevrolet Silverado. But torque-wise, I have that around in torque as well, so it does not compare. I'd just like to say a word for thank you, Jordan, for letting me record this video on his brand new 2017. Okay, let's...
People actually like this video though. You can tell the quality is a little off. I was using horrible editing software back in those days.
And then I thought about going down off-road down there and making a video, but it's kind of foggy today. And at the time, the 07 to 13 body style, which is my body style, was around for a long time. It was also the latest body style. So I figured this is the newest looking one, and it also appealed to me most. So you gotta believe, like, I'm 17 years old, I'm trying to pick out a truck, I'm seeing these lifted trucks here, like this is what I could be. I'm seeing it right in my face. And now my truck is lifted. I bought this stock. It's crazy, like, and now I have this truck here, and like I'm so thankful to have it. A 6-speed 5.3 V8, and it's honestly great gas. I run mud tires and I still get good gas. I still would rather have a Silverado to this day. I'd still rather have a Silverado as my main daily driving vehicle. And remove the rolling stop!
What the?
Those of us car guys that really appreciate their vehicles, they shouldn't have to go through this.
But the roads themselves are destroying our suspension.
People did not appreciate this video.
I'm not very happy about that.
Oh, here we go.
And that video was titled 5. First thing that I love about my 2013 Chevrolet Silverado is the engine. Is the height of the truck, 3-inch pipe, but I love the noise in the inside and out. 2013 Chevrolet Silverado is the year. Car smell, I was able to actually keep the new car smell because I keep it very clean in here. Flowmaster exhaust and these mud tires. Gas engine.
Pay attention to the houses.
Diesels, you can run a full straight pipe here in Pennsylvania and it'll be completely legal. And diesel truck exhaust. I understand with the introduction of the IFS that everything became lower. Just the other day I was looking out this Cummins and it had a 34-gallon tank. Run it. Have a good one. So today Austin and I are checking out this 2017 Chevrolet Silverado Pro Runner Edition. Exactly, you got the 6-inch Pro Comp suspension lift, 20-inch wheels, 35-inch tire package, moto metal, 20-inch rims. Around that, you got the nice Bushwhacker fender flares, aggressive front end compared to the 1500s, and then you got the Pro Runner Edition right here. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button as well. Check out his channel, Axe458. Thanks guys, and have a great day. What's going on, guys? Another video today. Getting my real first drive of having the top down. It's honestly a really nice day to be doing this. Yeah, this is the Mustang I used to drive. Used to make videos on it on the channel. Didn't make that many videos, but it was pretty cool. Teen Corvette Coupe. It's the Grand Sport Edition. It's got the 6.2 V8, 8-speed paddle shift auto. Comment below what you think. I mean, I do like this car. That car is nice.
I know. It is still born, I'm still torn, I'm still going in club throwing your tears.
What's up, guys? Learn the driver manual for the first time.
There you go.
Oh my god, dude. Nice yellow Maserati. Let me know what you guys think. Box is here, everything's brand new, made in the USA, GM. So let's get to it.
Thankful. Random people on the creek, man.
We got that key to the streets. Everybody notice me. Used to dream about 50,000 in my jeans, or 50,000 cheated me.
Looking like this in a long time, and wow, that looks so weird. It just looks like.
I honestly like the look of that without it. It honestly looks really good.
Look at that exhaust.
Oh yeah, lime green.
Another thing that I
Cummins,
do, I don't
guys,
know why
looks so
some
good.
Dodges have this, is that the panels right under the headlights will be this weird, like, plastic. I would definitely order some metal ones, paint them, color match it. Now I'm gonna do a front flip.
Those shoes, man, don't count them anymore.
What do you got there?